Once people start becoming comfortable with the lambda function, they ask a common question. Can I create a function that helps me process one row or one column at a time? The answer to that is yes. In 2021, Microsoft introduced two new functions, BYCOL and BYROW. BYCOL processes data one column at a time and BYROW one row at a time. Let's look at their application. The data that we have is monthly sales for a brand through three different channels. In the first example, we want to list down all the months where the sales were more than 80,000. This is same as filtering the months where the total sales is greater than 80,000. So let's start by writing the filter function. If you're not familiar with the filter function, then you can look at our video to understand it fully. The link is in the description. Filter. For the first parameter, we will select the data from A2 to A13 as it contains the name for all the months. The next parameter is called include, which means the filter condition. If the value for total sales for each month was available, we could have checked it if it is greater than 80,000 and got our answer. However, since it is not available, we will have to calculate the sum of each row and then do the comparison with 80,000. Since we want to calculate the sum for each row, we will use the function called BYROW. So let's write BYROW. The first parameter is array. We will select the sales values from B2 to D13. The next parameter is function. Here we need to define the operation we will perform on each row. And a list of function appears. Since we want to add the values in each row, we will use the function sum, close the bracket, and do a comparison if it is greater than the value in cell H2. Close the bracket for the filter function and press enter, and we get the result. To verify, I will write a quick sum function in column E. And as you can see, sales for February, March, May and June are indeed more than 80,000. Similar to BYROW, we have the BYCOL function. The concept is the same except the calculations are done column-wise. In the second example, we want to see the channels with sales more than 300,000. We'll again start with the filter function. For array, we will provide the channel names B1 to D1. For the next parameter, we need to provide the condition. Here we will use the BYCOL function. Like the earlier example, the array would be B2 to D13. And for function, we will select sum. We will check if the value is greater than 300,000 in the cell H10. Close the bracket and we get the answer. Let me also add a transpose. To show the data in rows instead of columns. Now let me calculate the sum for each channel. We can see that only online and multi-brand retail stores have sales more than the threshold. Therefore, their names are displayed. So this is how the BYROW and BYCOL functions work. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, Analytics Success, for more tips and tricks on Excel and data analytics. Thanks for watching.